Hi all. Let's start with the second session of Jbpm. So today we will be basically seeing a lot of practical stuff. We will see how to install the Jbpm and we will see how to start the server, how to go ahead and execute a business process, how to set up Eclipse, how to create a new project in that, and we will see all this cloning a project, all these stuff. I've captured all the screenshots because this server installation, everything requires much space. If something fails, then the screenshots will help. Because the screen sharing takes a lot of space, so I'm not sure if everything will go through. But I'll try to show you with the already installed stuff and all. Maximum we will try to get everything installed at the first go. We will see. So the agenda for today is we'll be looking at the installation of Jbpm, the whole BPM suite, and we will see some of the configurations, how to get a repository, existing repository, how to create a new repository, how to create an organization, a project, a business process, all that stuff we will see. And getting started will be with a simple example, and then create a simple example, adding a users and all. Some of the examples, out of the box examples, whichever the JVPM has provided. We will go through them, we will execute them, we will see how they are executing, we will see what are the things that they have configured and all that. Finally, we will go to the Eclipse editor integration. We will install Eclipse, the JBoss Developer Studio. All the plugins needs to be installed and it needs a lot of configurations to be done. Start working on the software. So these are the things that we will see. I have captured all the screenshots, just to walk you through like this. All the screenshots are captured, but still we will be going through all the things right now live. So the two basic things that we need are JDK 1.7 and Apache Maven. Maven is very important. It's not optional. Both are mandatory things, mandatory prerequisites. So the first thing is JDK 1.7 or in just go and set the Java home variable and also set the Java bin path in the path variable. In the Apache Maven, set the M2 home and the M2 is nothing with the path of M2 home slash bin, that's the M2. But get all these variables set because the software, the BPM, is going to use all these variables internally. All variables internally. So the need for Apache Maven, you can ask why do we need Apache Maven? Because all the artifacts, as I mentioned yesterday, all the knowledge artifacts that we are going to create for this BPM is going to be created using the way we are going to deploy all those knowledge artifacts are using knowledge jars. So they will be deployed into the Maven repository, and the projects that are going to work, they are going to add them as users. So all the knowledge artifacts will be coming from the Maven repository. The server's actual knowledge repository is the Maven repository. So the deployment is going to happen into that repository. So that is important to be installed and the repository created and all that. Okay, prerequisites done. Simple. Next is to go and install the actual software itself. So go download the software from the and there is a direct download button there. You can click on that and get the latest version. As of today, the latest version is 6.0.2. That's the latest version that they have released, and usually you have a green button on the right hand side corner of this link, and then you can download it. Just download the software. Now we'll go through the installation. Close it to save some memory. Let's close everything. So open the command prompt. I have got it. So we go to the path where I have it. So it's a jar file. So I'm executing it using Java command. Let's install. This time when after this step finishes, we will go and modify a file and reduce the actual heap space at the starting stage and see if that works out. That's the max we can do. Otherwise, we just have to shut down everything and then have only the installation running. So in your system, this should run fine. So I have the screenshots captured. Now let's go to the installation directory. We will open the standalone folder that where the Java heap is specified. Let's make it 256 MB. Close this. Delete the backup file that was created. Close it. Now let's click next. Hopefully the server starts this time. Yeah, the server starts fine. This time the heap space issue did not come, but There are many other things that should run. Oh God, it failed. The installation completed successfully, so that trick worked. So it was in a way good that the installation played the first instance so that I was able to get it installed. I'm sure you will be facing this issue many times during the times that you're installing in a normal system where it has 3 GB of RAM, maybe even a 4 GB of RAM. 4 GB of RAM, yeah, it should pass, but in a 3 GB RAM system, it will most probably fail. So you can do this trick, whatever we did, and then get it installed. So just let's click next and then done. So server installation is done.